Hey guys, it's Matt Light. Thanks so much for joining us today. We are back here at Esplanade Skye Ranch, and I'm going to take you through the Farnese floor plan, or as they would say in Italian, the Farnese. It's 2,100 square feet, can be built as 2 bedrooms or 3 bedrooms, and my favorite thing about it is the outdoor covered space. Now, before I take you inside to take a look at that, would you consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel, because I make videos on relocating to Sarasota and all things Sarasota real estate. So come on, let's go inside and take a look. So welcome to the Farnese, 2,100 square feet. We're gonna show you the first thing that they have right off of the entryway and how it can kind of be built differently. So right off the entrance, you have kind of this flex space. Now, how they have it here in the model is they have it as a bedroom with a full ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet. The other way that you can configure this is this space to be a huge den or office space. As you walk in from the garage, you've got your laundry room, your half bath or powder room, and then right into your full ensuite bathroom with a closet. Walking down the foyer, now what we have here is we've got, I guess technically what would be a formal dining room or a flex room if you wanted to make it a sitting room or another den. The kitchen of the Farnese is not too big and it's not too small. It's the perfect size for entertaining, having guests over, playing host. This model has a gourmet kitchen, offset dining room table, along right into your open concept, right into the living room. So this master bedroom also has the upgraded option of the bay windows, which you see give you a little bit more square footage. Now let's jump into the master bathroom and let's see how they designed that. Into this master bathroom, you've got a double vanity sink, and then right through it, you've got a full walk-in closet with some really nice built-ins. So I know what you've all been waiting for is, why do I like this outdoor covered space better than some of the other floor plans? It's because when you come out, it is all open and expansive. There's no wall running down making you feel like you're in a racquetball court, and these sliders will pocket all the way back. So in the winter time, you have all that cool air coming right into your house, and it makes it feel like it's part of your living room. So the way they have this outdoor space configured is they have added the extended patio. They also have an outdoor kitchen built in with a vent outside, and then this fireplace, you know, for the 2 days in Florida that it actually gets cold. So let's talk about the 2 questions of the year, right? How do I secure a home site and what's the price? Well, if you've seen any of my previous videos, you know that home sites and securing them is different per community and per builder. So if you don't have a realtor already, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, and we'll talk about what they're doing here. As far as pricing goes for this model home, you're gonna wanna go ahead and click the link in the video description below, because I'm gonna update that as the builder updates it, and we both know the builders change pricing all the time. Now, if you want to see the rest of the model homes here at Esplanade Skye Ranch, go ahead and watch this playlist right here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.